Tropical storm watch is in effect for the following areas: in New York, Manhattan, Bronx, northern Queens, southern Queens, Brooklyn, Staten Island, northern Nassau, southern Nassau, northwest Suffolk, southwest Suffolk, southern Westchester, northern Westchester, Rockland, northeast Suffolk and southeast Suffolk, and the following areas: in New Jersey, western Passaic, eastern Passaic, western Bergen, western Essex, western Union and Hudson, and the following areas: in Connecticut, southern Fairfield, southern New Haven, southern Middlesex, southern New London, northern Fairfield, northern New Haven, northern Middlesex, and northern New London.
Wow.
The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New
I have
Jersey,
never-
Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Tropical
Never gotten one of those
for
before.
tonight. Southwest winds 15 to 20 knots.
Wow. That's incredible. I missed one when I was at work, but I just got one. So, holy crap.
West winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to
That's
20
incredible.
knots. Seas 4 to